Well now, that was an interesting turn of events. So walk with me. It's been snowing since about noon, 4 hours. Looks about 6 inches or more down here. I put the chains on and my keepers broke, so I had to rig it with some bungees. Oh, it's warm in here. Okay. So, welcome to the tractor. I just got a video taken down on Oppenheimer Ranch project. And so that means we can't post there for a week. So we're not neglecting you over there. We just can't do anything there for 7 more days. So we'll be doing a lot more posting over here at Magnetic Reversal News, reporting on some of the current events. Just check my plow there. All right. So we're ready to move some snow, and maybe I could take you along for a little ride here. We gotta get out of here. And so, just let me turn around here. When you put the plow on, this thing becomes like 22 feet long. Maybe even a little longer. Now we don't want to plow the other car in there. You just really got to make the adjustment. And then go. All right. We're plowing. I got the lights on, but they're not helping. And I can't even see where the driveway is. Don't even know where that is. So I'm just gonna plow down to the end here and figure it out. I can kind of see some tracks. All right. You're good. Okay, so you can see it's doing a pretty good job back there. Couple of passes. So my neighbor Mike went to Costa Rica for the winter, and I guess that's a good call. But we're getting dumped on here, and it's supposed to snow till midnight, so I imagine it could be almost a foot, and we'll have a lot of snow blowing to do tomorrow. So just an update that we got taken down, a video taken down that I will link over here tonight, because I put it up on BitChute and Library because I want you all to watch it. It's you know, about that thing that I can't talk about or they take it down. So I'll redirect you over there, and I got some snow to move. Thanks for watching, guys, and be safe. We love you. Looks like a white Christmas.